Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about previous state and Olympiad questions children, and the topic is like human body and health. Okay, so this is the continuation session for previous questions children. Okay, now 31st question, observe the figure given below and identify X. See children here. No, here is our picture, and so we have to identify the X. We have to identify the X. Like what is this bone called as? This is the bone actually. What is this X called as? Either it is femur or humerus, ulna or tibia. So the answer is humerus. The answer is B option, that is humerus. So this is a long bone children, the long bone which is in the arm. So this is in the arm, okay, and which is going to run from the shoulder to the elbow, from shoulder to the elbow, okay. So this we call it as humerus, okay children, okay. Now we'll go on to the next question. Match the following joints in column 1 with their positions in column 2. Okay, here are the bones in column 1. Okay, where do they exist? Okay, that is in the column 2. So we have to match. Okay, children, like pivot. Okay, pivot bone. Where do we have it in? It is in the neck. Okay, so we'll just match it with neck. This is P, the third one. Okay. Gliding in the sense, which is in, yes, which is in the wrist, that is Q. Okay, like it's a slide, it moves like a slide. Okay. R, that is ball and socket. Ball and socket, as we learned, it is in the shoulder, R. Hinge bone, where do you have this? This is in the, yes, what is remaining? The first one, that is the elbow. Okay children, so this is our matching, like how it went. P is of third one, no, P is of third one. Where do you have it? Here, yes. Q is of fourth, R is of the second, and the S matches with the first. Okay children, so this is how the answer goes, and C option is the correct answer. Clear? Yes. So understood children? Yes. Pivot bone is with the neck, gliding is with the wrist, ball and socket is with the shoulder, and hinge is with the elbow. Clear? Now the 33rd question. Which of the following joints moves in the same way as the figure given below? Which of the following joints moves in the same way as the figure given below? So this is the picture children. Like we have got some joints which moves in the same way as shown in the picture. Okay, like how it is children? Yes, so it is just like a hinge joint, like we have our like elbow. No, same. So that is why C is the correct answer. Clear? So we have to match, like how is this particular picture matching with the joint, to which joint? It is with the hinge joint. Clear? The diagram below shows a part of the skeletal system. Which part of the body do these bones protect? See children, here in the picture you can see a part of the skeletal system. Okay, so which part of the body do these bones protect? So you are having all the bones here in this part. Okay, into which part of the body do these bones protect? Whether the brain, kidneys, spinal cord or lungs? Yes, the answer is spinal cord children. Okay, these are the bones of the spinal cord which are going to protect the spinal part. Okay, now the 35th question. In the figure, a part of the skeletal system is marked X. Okay, what is X in the given figure? See children, here in the picture you can see this part is marked as X. So what is this X? So is it a muscle? Is it a joint? Is it a nerve? Is it a vessel? So if you carefully observe, what is this X doing? It is joining these two bones. No, these are two separate bones which is joined by this particular X. So that is why we call this as a joint. Okay children, B is the correct answer. 36th question. We are able to stand upright because. So we can stand upright. No, because. Why? We do not have tail. Our backbone holds the body vertically up. We only have two legs. Our head bones are light. So from these four options, which is the correct one? Which one, children? Yes, the second option, that is B. Our backbone holds the body vertically up because we have our backbone. It holds our body vertically up. Clear children? And we do not have, because not that we do not have tail or C or D options. See, animals, they cannot stand upright. Okay, only penguin can stand upright. Only penguin. So rest of all the animals, they can't stand upright. Okay, so only human beings can stand upright. Upright in the sense straight. Clear children? 37th question. The backbone is not a single bone. It is made of dash bones. So just now we have learnt about the backbone. So with which we are able to stand straight. So this is not a single bone. It is made of how many bones? Whether 33, 34, 35 or 36. A, that is 33. It is made up of 33 bones, children. So A is our correct answer. 38th question. Observe the figure given below. Identify the part X. Observe the figure given below. See, here you are having a picture, children, and you have to identify the part X. This X, okay. So what is this? So is it blood? Is it bone? Is it organ? Or is it a muscle? Actually this is a hand. This is the hand. Okay, this is the elbow. Y is the elbow. Okay, so this part is the muscle. So D is the correct answer. Clear children? 39th question. The citrus fruits given below are an excellent source of one of the vitamins. Which vitamins are these fruits rich in? The citrus fruits, they are very rich in one of the vitamins, whether A, B, C or D. Okay, so that we have to identify. So here you can see all the citrus fruits, like you can see oranges, lemon, pineapple, grape, and also this pear. No, so this is rich in vitamin C. C option is the correct answer. Clear children? So that we can get rid of scurvy disease. If you take good vitamin C, good amount of vitamin C, so you will not get the scurvy disease. Here 40th question. The given diagram represents. See children, carefully observe the picture here. So there is a girl and she tried to touch something which is hot here. Okay, so this is her hand. Okay, she tried to touch something hot. So immediately what happened? When we touch something very hot or very cold, and if it is very painful for us, when we feel so much of pain, what will happen? So we'll just take out. Immediately we'll just move the hand or move any of the body part, so which is not able to bear that hot or cold. Okay, feel. So what is this? Either it is respiration, reproduction, reflex action or nervous system. Yes children, this is reflex action. Reflex action, that is involuntary action, like without knowing will just to take out or move out our hand from that object, because we feel that hotness or coldness or pain, whatever it may be, so which we will not be able to bear it. Okay, we call it as reflex action, and we call it this also as a stimuli also. Okay. 41st question. After an accident, a person lost his speech and memory. Which part of his brain was affected? So after an accident, what happened? A person lost his speech and memory. Speech and memory in the sense where he was not able to talk and he was not able to remember anything. Which part of his brain was affected? Okay, so whether it is medulla, cerebrum, reflex action or nervous system. So we have learnt about reflex action. So that is not connected to this question. No, so this will not match. C will not match. Nervous system also will not match. And what is remaining? Medulla and cerebrum. What is medulla, children? Okay, so again medulla, which is again going to respond to involuntary actions like as reflex action. No, brain is going to monitor this type of involuntary actions through medulla. Okay, so this is also a wrong answer for this question. And remaining cerebrum. Cerebrum is the correct answer. Why? So it receives and it gives messages, and it also controls the body parts. Because of that, this man has lost his speech and memory. Why? Because his cerebrum was affected in the accident. Clear, children? So this is very important part of the brain. Clear? Where our all the body parts are controlled. Then 42nd question. Which organ help us to keep our body balanced? See, children, here you are having ear, eye, nose and mouth. No. So which organ help us to keep our body balanced? That is ear. A is the correct answer. So inside the ear you are having an inner ear. Inner ear. So that particular organ is that particular part or else is going to keep our body balanced. It controls the balance. Clear, children? 43rd question. Which type of stimulus is not generally detected by our skin? Stimulus. So just now we learnt. No, that is it causes a reflex action. So which type of stimulus is not generally detected by our skin? No, which is not detected by the skin. Suppose if you touch any heat substance, you feel it, children? Yes, it is affected. No, the skin feels the heat, the skin feels the cold, the skin feels the pain, but the skin, it is not affected with the light. No, so it is not detected by our skin, that is the light. So D is the correct answer. 44th question here, children. The given figure shows human digestive system with some parts labeled as P, Q, R and S. Okay. Which of the following labeled parts is correctly matched with its function? See here in the picture. So you have got a diagram and some parts are labeled by P, Q, R and S. Okay. So here, which of the following labeled parts is correctly matched with its function? From the options, we have to match the correct parts. Like how they are being labeled. See here Q. What is there in the answer? Food is mixed with the digestive juices. Food is mixed with the digestive juices. Is it correct, children? Here, food. Where is Q? Where is Q? Here. So this, no, what is here? According to the picture, this Q is a food pipe. So that is why this is the wrong, match. Then P. P, what is written? Digestion starts here. Digestion. P is like here in the mouth. No. So where we are going to chew the food into small particles. So this is correct. And now R. R here. What is R here? R is the stomach. And here it is written in as what most of the water is absorbed here. No. So this is also a wrong match. No. Most of the water is absorbed where? In the large intestine. No. In the large intestine. So this is also wrong. Now yes. Digestion of food is completed here. According to here, this is yes, the large intestine. And so here what happens? Most of the water is absorbed. But in our answer, it is wrong. So what is the correct answer, children? P. Option B is the correct answer. So these are level 2 questions, children. Level 2 questions. Okay. Now 45th question. Which of the following is the function of the organ shown in the figure? Shown in the figure. What is this part, children? What is this part? It is the stomach. Okay, this is the stomach. So what is the function of this stomach? Either to churn the food, to digest the food, to absorb the food, both A and B, that is to churn and digest the food. So which is the correct answer? Yes, A and B, that is D option is the correct answer. Stomach is going to churn the food and also digest the food. 46th question. Refer the given figure and select the correct option. So here you are having X and Y, children, X and Y parts. So you have to just select the correct option, like what is X, okay, and what is Y. Like A, according to A, X type of joint shows no movement at all. X type of joint shows no movement at all. Okay. And Y type of joint is also present in our elbow. C is X type of joints is also found in between vertebra. D is both A and B. Okay. So our answer is D, both A and B. Like X, this joint show no movement at all, and this joint is also present in our elbow. That is the hinge joint. Okay, children. So that is why D is the correct answer. Now we'll go with the 47th question. Total number of bones in a newborn baby is. Total number of bones in a newborn baby is 206, 209, 250 or 300. And the answer is 300. For children, newborn baby, it is 300. For adults, it is 206. For adults, it is 206. Okay, children. Adults in the sense for grown-ups. So, as the baby grows, what happens? Some bones, they grow together. So, that is why the number decreases. Clear? And for a newborn baby, it is 300. 48th question. If your diet is deficient in sour fruits, then you are supposed to suffer from. If your diet is deficient in sour fruits, okay, then you are supposed to suffer from what? That is vitamin C. Deficiency in sour fruits. Like what do we get from sour fruits? We will get vitamin C. No. So if you do not have vitamin C in your body, then you are supposed to suffer from what? Rickets, beriberi, scurvy or night blindness. Obviously scurvy. Okay, children, this is vitamin C. Now 49th question. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the parts labeled as P, Q, R and S? See, children, again you have got a picture, okay, of a human skeleton. Like there are some parts which are labeled as P, R, Q and S. So we have to identify the incorrect part which is labeled wrongly. So S is longest bone. S is longest bone. So this is correct. Q protects the spinal cord. Okay, where is this Q? Yes. This is wrong. This is not going to protect the spinal cord. P is encloses the brain. This is also correct. R is protects heart and lungs. This is also correct. So our answer is B. Okay, this is an incorrectly labeled part. 50th question. Following figures show different taste areas of human tongue. Which figure shows tongue with bitter area? Bitter area. So, like how do you identify from these figures where you taste a bitter taste? Okay, whether A, B, C or D. Okay, children. So the answer is yes, it is D. So this one is the answer, where when you taste something bitter, so your tongue will look like this. Okay, whereas this is for sweet. A is for sweet and B is for salty taste, and C is for sour taste. Sour taste in the sense, like we said, no, like vitamin C, like oranges, lemon, such type of fruits, when you eat, you'll have this sour taste. Okay, children? Yes. And D is for bitter taste. Bitter, if you eat something very bitter, like if you eat something like medicine also, tablet, if you just swallow it, it's okay. Suppose if you put any tablet on your tongue or chew under your teeth, you feel it very bitter. No. So that is this in the figure, which looks like in this figure. Okay. 51st question. Which of the following is the main organ of the circulatory system? Main organ of the circulatory system. What is circulatory system, children? So where blood is circulated and blood is going to transport so many nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, blood cells and all that. No. So in this circulatory system, which is the main organ? Whether it is a heart, whether lungs, intestine or the brain. Which one? Obviously the heart, A option. Why? Because it is going to pump the blood through blood vessels for the whole body. Okay, so that is why heart is the main organ. Yes, children, the 52nd question. The dried and powdered bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for. So they were making a medicine from the cinchona tree. No. So what is this medicine is used for? For malaria, cholera, typhoid or jaundice? And the answer is yes, it is malaria. Okay. To cure malaria fever, they used to use this powder of cinchona tree. The next question, children. In the given figure, X is a dash. X. So you can see a muscle and a bone here. No, this is the muscle and this is the bone. So what is this X? Whether it is a ligament, a tendon, a joint or a girdle. So what is it? It is a tendon which is going to connect the muscle and the bone. Okay, we call it as tendon. This is a single organ. See, children, here we are having 4 pictures here. This is the brain, this is the hand, this is amoeba. It is a single organism. It is not an organ, it is a single organism. And this is intestines, no? So if you see here, again here you can see 2 organs, here also 2 organs. But hand, that is B, has got a single organ. So B is our correct answer. 56th question. Which of the following body parts is the longest? Okay. is the longest. Okay, body part is the longest. What is it? Whether it is a large intestine, small intestine, femur bone or lungs. So, and the answer is yes, it is small intestine. It is small intestine. Okay, children. 57th. Which of the following gives shape and support to the body? Which of the following gives shape and support to the body? What does, what organ or what part does our body is supported for the shape, whether skin, skeleton, heart or lungs? Obviously, skeleton. B option. The children. 58th question. Saurabh's mother called him for dinner. She prepared his thali as shown in the given figure. Which essential nutrient is significantly absent in his dinner thali? See children, here Saurabh's mother, she has served dinner for him. So she gave him aloo sabzi, she gave him fruit salad, butter and roti and rice. So what is lacking here? What is lacking here? So whether proteins, fats, carbohydrates or vitamins. Okay. So what is lacking is proteins. That is like milk, eggs and all that. So meat, all this. So they have to get proteins through these food substances. So proteins are lacking because we do not have in this plate. Clear children? 59th question. Identify the parts labeled as P, Q, R and S. Okay. And you have to select the correct option. So here you are having in the figure all these four parts, now which are labeled as P, Q, R and S. Now we have to select the correct option. So what is P, what is Q, what is R and what is S? So what is P children? So what is P? P is cerebrum. P is cerebrum. No, sorry. P is the skull actually. So P is the skull. And then Q is the cerebrum. R is the cerebellum. And S is the medulla. Okay. So according to that, B option is the correct answer. Clear children? Yes. So this is how you have to find out. So we have completed children all the questions from the previous Olympiad examinations, and I'll conclude here. So we are going to continue in the next session. So until then, take care and goodbye. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.